Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your playlist at the Overcast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the plus button with the 4 lines next to the plus button. So here, and then just click on custom playlist, and here you can create a new playlist. So just type in anything you want your playlist to be named, and you can choose an icon by clicking on this blue circle with the lines. So just click on any of these, and then you can also choose a preferred color. I will go with this pink one, and you can also choose if you want this playlist to include all episodes or only selected episodes. And you can choose the included episodes from here if you have any. And if you are ready, just click on done. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.